Okay guys, we made it to the ruins. Basically you just have to park on the side of the road because everybody try to hustle you, you know, 100 pesos, 200 pesos just to park for what? Just park on the side of the road. Everybody doing it. That's it, you know? Anyways, we're in the jungle out here. Oh shit, more cops is coming. More cops is coming. All the cops coming right here onto the little strip. Bam, bam, bam.
Drive.
Drive? We're not driving, we're walking. It's kind of hot though.
I can't believe you're wearing that.
What?
What you're wearing? It's too hot for that, huh?
No, I got Mexican. So, yo, the boy them still. Bam. Cambia. Where? Yeah. No, like just be like, sorry guys, like.
So say that.
No, because we're talking, I'll be like, oh, this, sell you this, sell you that. I was like, I'm done. I was like, no thanks. That's like saying no thanks.
Yeah, so do
Yeah,
it.
I'm
You
like,
just
no
like look
thanks.
the other way and I'm staring at them.
Yeah, then you say, oh no.
Alright.
You got to the front finally. Iguana. Oh shit, iguana's going in. Oh shit. Holy, wouldn't even get in here. We're seeing reptiles, all kinds of things. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Yo, there's no camera shot. See that? You see that? It's crazy. Lots of those. Okay. Oh shit, it's moving. On the move. It's probably gonna go in a tree. Oh, that's a little friend. Maybe competitive. I don't think it's shy. More lineups. Tickets, man. Sure, tickets. See, this guy's stuck in Mayan and stuff. Come on now. We out here with different tongues. This guy don't even care. This guy don't even care, bro. Just out here. I think he wants to take a selfie with the iguana over here. What's going on, bro? See me? See me right here? Legit, you know? It's not YouTube shot. Alright, bro. You going on YouTube? See? Oh, there's another one over here. They're not even shy. They're not even shy, man.
That bill is special part called Sagbeo. Sagbeo means white road, not what the white road is.
Holy, we're in the Mayan world. Holy, this is a Mayan world right now. Wow. This is like something. Yo, check this out. Wow, I didn't even see it. Oh, somebody chopped it. Wow, look at this thing. I want to give it food, but I don't even know what to feed it. Anyways, carrying on. Let's. Oh, like I love saying not the entrance, but it's gross. Oh, damn. Like it's a not the entrance. Oh, it's like close. It's nice. Yeah, it's a water time. See, we can see the beach over there. Then we're gonna explore the ruins after the beach. Cause I'll be out of these shorts too.
Yeah,
This looks crazy. The Tulum ruins. Like, can you imagine this place at the peak? I was just like, wow, you know? It's been so long. It's like these people were walking this, you know?
Yeah, different times too.
There's someone. See? That's the beach we're supposed to go down to. That's what I wanted to do. Always on some bullshit this place is. There's no even reason not to have it open. We gotta tell, you know, no beach. Whatever. Look how nice it is. Oh wow. Let's remind me of Tobermory.
Where me and my wife live, we're living out 20 people.
Oh look, these things are everywhere. Hey, what's the one right there? It's crazy. They're everywhere.
But we say to people the Mayan way is
Yeah.
one thing's a coincidence, two things is possibly meant to be. I don't know whether I'm just feeling the magic of the place.
Yeah.
But
It's beautiful out here. Don't listen to the news. People are nice.
the whole of Mexico, we've done a whole. We
gotta go to
started in
Cabos.
Cancun, Playa del Carmen,
We're in Playa.
Chichen
Itza.
and then Merida. We were in Merida when the fire was on. That was our hotel, was next door.
Oh shit.
We came literally last couple of days of the rainy season, so we saw the amazing. Like,
This is, I was trying to go swim down there, but it's closed, so it's another day, another time. That's it. Yeah, let's go to the beach. Yeah. Pull up. This is so like, it's so refreshing out here in the shades, but in the sun and the pyramids is fun. See, baby, there's even fines for it too.